One day Noah asked God,
God, I've got some insects in my aquaponic system. How do I get them out?
and God said to Noah,
A flood, of course.
so that's what we're going to do. We're going to take that advice, we're going to flood this grow bed, and we're going to get rid of some bugs. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to pull, well, first we're going to pull the bell here. We're going to take the bell out. Put it aside. And then I'm going to take this little piece out. It's just a little hose extension. And that leaves us with the standpipe down there with the reducer. So I'm going to take this piece of pipe here. And I'm going to stick it in there. So all I did right now is just raise the water level. I just raised the water level. And so what I got here on the side, there's a slot. And as the water rises, the insects will come up out of the media. And if I get my level set right, it'll come up and this thing will start skimming. The standpipe will start skimming off of the surface of the water, sucking all of the insects that it can out and down into the sump tank down below here. So that's how that works. Now the trick to this is you have to do it multiple times over several days. It's not just an automatic fix. There's already a few insects coming up out of the soil, out of there. There's one right there. That's a springtail. Those aren't necessarily bad, but you'll start seeing. And as soon as this gets to the top, we're going to start watching the insects get sucked out. But what we want to do is just kind of go around and just sort of shake up the media a little bit. Anything that you can, shake your plants a little bit. Give everything a good shaking, and then this is, it's almost there. What you'll see, they're going to start they're going over the top. Let's get that leaf out of there, and there they go. There's the insects being sucked out. Can you see it? Look at that. Look at them all. They're being sucked out, and I have guppies in the sump tank, so all these insects are being turned into free fish food. So the energy that they're sapping from the system is getting returned back into the system right now. So we'll let that run for a while, and basically I'm going to let this run until I almost don't see any more insects. I'm going to just keep working it. Let's take a quick peek down below here. So there's the guppies down there, and there's the insects, and they're in there feeding on the bugs that are washing down from above. Literally bringing that energy back into the system. I love it. Free fish food. Look at that guy. And I'll go ahead and put that back together. I think that's long enough. Like magic. What I did today is I pulled the bell out, inserted a piece of pipe into the reducer to raise the flood level of the bed, That got the insects to come up out of the gravel and out of the media, shook the plants, got the insects to fall into the water, where they washed through down into the grow bed, down into the sump tank, and fed some guppies. That's what we did today. I want to thank Noah for the question. Like, share, and subscribe if you haven't already, and have a great day.